We're gonna do I'm just hopping on here really quickly to do a video for the BOGOs, where we're gonna go over, this is for India specifically. So this week there are BOGOs that are happening, which is buy one, get one for doTERRA. So I'm gonna list out the pairs. So there's On Guard, where you get Breathe Free. Then you have Purify and TerraShield, Supermint and Coriander, Digescen and Zendocrine, Correctex, and a 5 ml tea tree. So these are amazing pairs that are coming out. What I would highly recommend is like the staples. These are a lot of the ones that with seasonal changes, these are ones that you definitely want to be having in the home, especially the On Guard and the Breathe, where you're buying On Guard and you're getting Breathe for free. So On Guard is an amazing immunity support. Breathe is a great respiratory support. So especially with seasonal changes, pollution, everything going on, I would highly recommend grabbing at least one of these BOGOs, if not a couple of them, because you can buy multiple sets of the same BOGO. So that is the first one. Then we have, so basically for immune support and cleansing, that's where you have your On Guard, you have your Purify, your Zendocrine, your tea tree. So they've kind of paired them up beautifully. So for environmental support, On Guard and Breathe are amazing ones to be having. Then again, for the home and around, you have Purify and TerraShield. So with Purify, it's a great one to be diffusing around the home, in the kitchen even, as well as just to kind of cleanse the air. It's an amazing one. This is also a great one to add into a drop into your shoes, add a drop into your socks, use it as a natural deodorant, diluting it with coconut oil. So please dilute, because it'll be sensitive for your armpits if you don't. Then it comes with the free TerraShield. So the TerraShield is a great mosquito repellent, where you can put it into a spray bottle and spray it on your curtains before like dusk and dawn. So it's a great way to pair it that way. So I would say those two are amazing as well too. Grab at least one of those. Then the Supermint and Coriander. Those ones are great for cooking. If you haven't used essential oils in your cooking, this is where the Supermint for peppermint black bean brownies, amazing. I would definitely recommend trying the Supermint in those, or even just adding a drop to your toothpaste or your toothpaste powder. This is a great way to kind of freshen your breath, or adding a drop onto your tongue. And then Coriander is a great detoxing oil. So this is a great one for cooking if you're using it, as well as just having it on a regular basis to just kind of help cleanse the system out once in a while. So it's a really great one. The next pair is the Digescen and Zendocrine. So Digescen is a great support for the stomach, the gut microbiome, and Zendocrine is a detoxing oil, so the detoxification blend that doTERRA has. So what I always generally recommend is, if you're starting like a specific protocol for ailments, or you're looking for like a little gut cleanse, kind of use Zendocrine first for a couple weeks, either topically or internally diluted, where you're then doing a detox and a cleanse, and then you're using the Digescen to kind of help build up the gut, good gut bacteria, and you're using it as an amazing support. Then Correctex and tea tree, those are both amazing oils. So Correctex is actually a blend, and it's like a cream. So boo-boos, cuts, scrapes, ailments, like this is a great one to be having, where, for example, for myself, one of the things that I was having was, I've never had cold sores, or it's almost like a cut that I was getting at the side of my lip, as a side effect from the chemo treatments, where sometimes you'll also get mouth sores and stuff, where I've been lucky enough not to have those, or I've been doing kind of baking soda On Guard mouthwashes and stuff with those. But this is where you can apply Correctex directly to your skin. It's as like an ointment kind of thing, and it works beautifully. So it has myrrh, it has frankincense, and it's like a gel based almost. So it's a really beautiful blend. And then tea tree, we all know tea tree or Melaleuca, amazing. So this is a great one, for example, for skin. If you're having acne, it's a great one just to do like kind of spot treatments, or it's also a great one to just be spraying in the house for cleansing. So it's definitely great. So you have the option of buying the BOGOs individually, so like as the pairs that I've mentioned, or you can grab the whole BOGO box, where if you buy the whole collection, you also get a free lime essential oil. And if you haven't smelt lime essential oil, it's definitely It is a beautiful one. I love using it in my diffusers as you enter the home. It's just refreshing, uplifting. It's so amazing. So I highly recommend grabbing the BOGO box. I'm going to put my link in below if you want to go ahead and grab the BOGO box, or go ahead and grab each of the individual ones. So I'm going to put a BOGO box and each of the individuals in a cart together. Go ahead, add, delete whatever you like and make it your own. So I hope you guys go ahead and access this BOGO box. If you have any questions, DM me, comment below, or go ahead and ask away in the live here, as well as if you, once you do get started, send me a screenshot of your purchase either in my inbox, or if you have my WhatsApp, send it to me on WhatsApp. I will send you a PDF on exactly how to use these BOGOs and the benefits of each of these beautiful oils. So I hope you guys get started today.